What services does Azure offer? Azure is a cloud computing platform by Microsoft. It provides services like virtual computing, storage, and databases over the internet, allowing businesses to scale and manage applications easily. Why is Azure popular in the IT industry? Azure is popular in IT because it offers scalable cloud solutions, enhancing efficiency, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness for businesses' digital needs. Are you curious about Azure Training in Chennai? The answer is right at your fingertips. Welcome to IntelliMind's Azure Training in Chennai.